in Kenya right now, to find a job has become the hardest thing. Like, it's even easier to study than to find a job. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how to make money with online writing and sites that pay you to do online writing. I know this one is something that many people find difficult to get jobs, to get online writing jobs. And that's why I got you guys, I'm here to tell you all those sites that pay you to do online writing. So without further ado, let's get started. So I bet you've heard in Kenya that you need to know somebody to get a job. Yeah, and also even in some of these online jobs, you need to know someone to get a job. So what do I mean? Like, networking is very, very important everywhere. But the only difference is that in online writing, it's easier to network. It's easier to find someone that can help you, that can connect you. So for online writing, all you need to do is to join online writing platforms or social media pages. So that is the first way you can get jobs. For example, there is a group that we call Awesome Transcribers in Kenya. I always talk about this. Here, jobs are posted, so you'll get other online writers posting jobs. Like, maybe someone is an online writer and they're overwhelmed, they have so much work, so they are willing to pay somebody to do a certain work for them. So one of the easiest ways to get a job for online writing is to go to Facebook pages that have other online writers. And you need to be very careful because some of these are scammers. Yep, in this society where everyone wants to make money really quick, it's very easy to get stolen from. So before you can give in to somebody, before you do a job and then end up not getting paid, make sure you know this person. Like, you've had about his CV in that group, so you can even go to the search icon and search him. Then see what are people saying about him, about this employer. Okay. Yep, another way you can get paid is freelancers.com. So go to freelancers.com. It's so easy. It's free to sign up. You sign up for an account and wait. Yeah, that's it. And you're sure that you're gonna get a job that is advertised there. Once you do that job, now you get paid. The only thing about this is that once you do that job, they will watachukua commission. Like, you'll have to give the site some commission for finding you a job. Yes, you have to pay something to get something. So depending on the kind of job you do there, you'll pay a little commission, of which it's worth it. I mean, they've given you a job, so you'll need to pay for hiring you or something. Another site is iWriters. I know you've heard of this before. Like, if you're an online writer or if you've wanted to be, you've already heard of iWriters. So this one is so good because you don't have to pay any commission like freelancers. No, there's no bidding fee, there's nothing. You just sign up free of charge and wait for a job and get that job. And mostly you get paid $1.25. It's worth it. So if you're looking for an online writing job, then iWriters it is, guys. The fourth place you can get an online job is Upwork. I know I've talked about this before. So you go to Upwork, create a profile on what you do and such stuff, and then they will recommend to you jobs that are easy for you or jobs that require your skills. So if you don't have an Upwork account or if you don't have that app, I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. You need to download that app in your phone right now. So online writing requires you to have the skill, like the skill to type fast and to beat deadlines. That's all. You don't need much, but you'll also need internet connections, because of course you're using the internet to communicate, to do your research, because some of these things, some of the assignments that you're given will need you to do so much research, and also you'll need a laptop to type and such stuff. Yeah, that's all you need to start an online writing job. What else? I think I've talked about this so many times. Most of you know what online writing is. Yeah, and if you're not so good at it, you might need to be trained. I see people charging a fee, maybe 2,000 Kenyan shillings, that is $20, to get trained. Or you can dedicate your time to train yourself. I mean, if you're at home doing nothing, this is an opportunity for you. Train yourself to write and those formats, those styles. Yeah, I mean, if you're at home doing nothing, this is something that can make you so much money. If only online writers could tell you how much they make. Like, people are making so much money writing online. That is why the government has actually decided to tax you guys, because there is so much money that is coming from online writing. And the good thing is that you're getting paid with dollars. Like, you're not getting paid with your currency. So imagine you're getting paid $1.25 per page, per article. That is so much money, and you write 10 pages within 1 hour. That is so much money. So all you're gonna need is a free space, a quiet room. That's why most online writers prefer to work at night, because it's peaceful at night and you don't get so many disturbances. But I always say it's better to look for someone to train you and to give you everything you need to know. Make sure they give you even the sites and all the tricks to get online jobs, to beat those online jobs. And don't look for just any kind of trainer. Look for somebody who is really good at it. Even if it means you going to Facebook to look for those people. At Awesome Transcribers group in Facebook, this is not even sponsored, but I love that group. You can get so many people who are gwiji, like magwiji wa ikitu. They will train you very well, and they'll give you information you need to know, all the sites you'll need to use to make money. People are actually making an income with this. You can be paid up to 50,000 per month, enough to pay your rent and sustain your family. So, yep. Comment down below, guys. I'll be answering to all your questions. As always, that's my job. I mean, blow up my comment section with questions so that I'll be answering them. I need to keep myself busy, guys. So yeah, those are some of the sites that are so good for online writers. I hope you guys, benefited from this video. If you have any questions, I don't think I've left anything else. Yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. Hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Please like so that I know that you enjoyed, so that I can bring more videos. Yeah, and share if you found it useful. Yeah, I'm hoping to see you guys in tomorrow's video. In the meantime, you can be watching the other videos that I've posted on online side hustles and online jobs and all those kind of informations that you need to get. Yeah, in the meantime, guys, subscribe so that you won't miss on tomorrow's video. Hit that bell notification so that you can get notified when I post a video. So until next time, hoping to see you guys in my next video. Bye.